question number 3 is from chapter Work, Energy and Power. So let's read the question. We have a block of mass 0.1 kilogram is placed at point A. So we have A here at some height. As shown in figure 6, the spring has a spring constant, 500 Newton per meter. I hope it is still in your head that the spring constant is symbolized as K. So we have mass also in the question. The block starts to move with an initial speed of 3 meters per second. So which means that this block is moving with velocity 3 meters per second. It travels down the slope, and finally compress the spring. So I hope you can imagine that this block is finally reaches this point and it will compress this spring. So this spring will be compressed at this position. So I hope you have in your mind that this question is applying the concept of principle of conservation of energy. Conservation of total energy, which means that at every point in this region or in this system, this block is having similar total energy. So the question is determine the maximum compression undergone by the spring. So based on the conservation of energy, we have summation of energy in this case at point A is equal to summation of total energy at point B. So let us refer point A. We have height, which means that at point A we have gravitational potential energy, and also we have velocity, which means that we have kinetic energy. And at point B, we don't have height, so our height is equal to 0, and our velocity is also equal to 0 because when the block hits compress this spring, so it will stop. At point B, we only have elastic potential energy because the spring is compressed. So let us substitute the equation for UG mgh plus kinetic energy half mv squared equal to half kx squared. So that is our equation and we want to find s. So we continue here. Let us substitute all the values in. So we have mass is 0.1, 9.81. Height for at point A is we have 3 meter, or you can symbolize it as HA, plus half 0.1, 3 squared equal to half, our K is 500 s squared. So pressing your calculator, finally it will give us our S or compression, maximum compression is 0.116 meter.